I don't see a difference. One of these lip shades is $6 and the other one is $24. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! So, in today's video, I'm going to show you two products, and I know you read the title, so, you probably know. But I'm going to show you two products that essentially are supposed to do the same thing. One retails for $24, okay? And the other one retails for $6. That is a huge difference, okay? The e.l.f. one launched months before the Fenty one launched, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, so a while ago, e.l.f. launched a product called Glossy lip stain. I got this in a long time ago. I tried it, but I didn't show you what it was, okay? The e.l.f. Glossy lip stain is a long wear, comfortable lip stain that gives lips a sheer pop of color and subtle gloss effect. Why e.l.f. loves this product is because it's a unique gloss to satin finish, one-step application, comfortable long wear formula that won't transfer sheer tint color with a hint of sheen. It says that it's a beautiful color that stays put, it's lightweight, it doesn't dry out your lips, and it imbues your lips with a sheer kiss of color. Essentially, it's a lip stain. You all know what a lip stain does. You apply it on, you wipe it off, your lips look colored, but not like you have any products on your lips kind of product. The e.l.f. Glossy lip stain comes in 8 shades, and on their website, even though some of the pictures are a lot deeper, the actual products are not as deep, okay? I have here 4 shades that I'm gonna swatch for you. Yes, it's gonna stain my lips, but the 2 shades that I think are similar are actually like deep enough to where I feel like it's gonna cover any stain that I get on my lips, okay? This is the e.l.f. Glossy lip stain. It's a very small bottle. Has e.l.f. written on it. I'm gonna start off with a lighter shade, and this is called Pinkies Up. It is cute. Hold up, hold on. I'm gonna wipe my lips off because I have foundation on my lips. I wanna know if the foundation is what's making this color look so good or if the color actually looks good. Okay, so let's start again. Pinkies Up. I'm gonna swatch Pinkies Up first. The shade actually does look like this. $6? Is that you? Mild color, and it's supposed to stain your lips. It feels very nice on the lips, actually. I like it. I don't know what, it doesn't really look like I have anything on my lips, but you guys saw that I have something on my lips. Okay, so next we're gonna swatch the shade Basic Beige. See, I definitely feel like all of these shades are very wearable shades. Like, you don't have to do too much to them to make it look like you have something on your lips. This one definitely comes off as I have something on my lips, but also like I'm not trying. If you catch my drift, it's very natural. e.l.f. definitely did something with this glossy lip stain, and it's $6. Okay, so I only left it on my lips for a little bit. This is what it's looking like. It does not have a bitter taste at all. I'm gonna swatch the shade Power Mauve. I also feel like it matches the lighter parts of my lips. I definitely understand the hype about lip stains. It makes your lips look like it's your natural lip color. I really I'm so upset that I did not try these glossy lip stains sooner. I'm very upset that I didn't try them sooner. Okay, I'm gonna wipe it off and see what kind of lip stain it gives. It definitely stained my lips, and I'm pretty sure if I put some gloss over this, it's still gonna give me lip stain vibes, okay? It's giving lip stain vibes even after I wiped it aggressively and I put some gloss on it. It looks really, really good. This very last shade is the shade that I believe is actually a dupe, meaning that it's a cheaper price for the Fenty, but keep in mind that the e.l.f. one came out before the Fenty one came out, okay? So this is the shade I'm talking about. The shade in the middle is that e.l.f. shade. Okay, the shade in the middle is the e.l.f. shade. This one is the shade from Fenty that I feel closely matches that shade in the middle. I went ahead and swatched the other 4 Fentys on the back of my hand so you can see what they look like. However, if you want to see what they actually look like on the lips and how they stain the lips, I'm going to put the video of me swatching these 4 Fenty products down below. Definitely check it out after you've seen this video. And I put them on for about the same amount of time. And you can see they're pretty much stained about the same, okay? So let's go ahead and swatch these two side by side. I was going to put this all over my lips, but I want to do a side-by-side comparison so you can see what I mean. Because as soon as I saw this shade, I knew that I had seen it somewhere before. And if I can help you save money, $6. This is $6 compared to $24. I want to come and show it to you. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch it. The e.l.f. shade is called Fiery Red. I'm gonna put that on the right side of my lips. Honey, this is $6, okay? Let's go in with the Fenty one. Okay, so Strawberry Sangria in the Fenty is the shade that closely matches the e.l.f. one. I don't see a difference. Do you see a difference? Like, let me know if you see a difference, because I know I'm not delusional. I do not see a difference right now. I will say the Fenty one is more on the liquid side than the e.l.f. one. The e.l.f. one is thicker and it feels more like a balm on the lips, whereas the Fenty one feels more like a liquid. If I just appear to you on the screen, would you be able to tell that one of these lip shades is $6 and the other one is $24? Would you be able to tell me that? Because I can't tell me that. And I put it on. It's a dupe. I'm going to keep it on my lips for a little bit and I'll come back and wipe it off so I can see the staining power. I somehow am expecting the Fenty to stain more than the e.l.f., but I will never know unless I wipe it off. So we'll see in a little bit. I actually went to look at it in a different light and it still looks like it's the same gloss. This is my lips wiped off the lip stain. This is what the lip stains look like on. If you didn't know which side I put what on, would you have been able to tell me that this was not the same two shades that I put on my lips? No. No, there's no way. But they're not, okay? They're not the same. So this is what it looks like. Guys, it's literally the same shade as a $24 gloss, lip stain gloss, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put some gloss right over this because lip stains without gloss in them is just a disaster waiting to happen. I went ahead and put like a cherry colored gloss on it. At this point, if you ask me to pick, especially with these shades, if you ask me to pick either the Fenty side or the e.l.f. side, for the sake of a recession, I will pick the e.l.f. side because the e.l.f. side is $6, literally matches the Fenty side perfectly, and I just don't see what I can get from the Fenty one that I'm not getting from the e.l.f. one, okay? But when it comes to all the other shades that come in both collections, there aren't any other shades that I found that are very similar to each other. This is the one and only shade that is very similar to the Fenty one. So you could probably pick up whatever shades you like from the Fenty that e.l.f. doesn't have, and then pick up the shades from e.l.f. that Fenty doesn't have. You know, pick up the one that matches the Fenty one so you don't have to pick up the Fenty one. But in my opinion, the e.l.f. Fiery Red Glossy Lip Stain is an exact dupe for the Fenty Popsicle in the shade Strawberry Sangria. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Do you agree with me or do you disagree with me? Let me know because I think they are exact same shades. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you lots and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!